was gonna call this one most cutest baby in the whole world that I love very much, and Dean said that's too long of a name. I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action.
Come over here. We've got these rabbit cages. What do you think we should do with them? Should we maybe go get some bunnies and throw them in here?
I was thinking pet dinosaurs, but we could do bunnies.
All right, let's give it out a try. You guys come along with us. Come on, let's go.
You could see the wheel of time, and that you were still a friend of mine. Our story wasn't over yet, and no one can tell what's coming next. The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not ours to control.
Oh, they're so little and cute. How do you pick them up? Is there a trick?
By their hind end,
Oh,
you
by
pick them
their
up by their
hind.
back legs like this. And then that way they can't get away no matter how much they squirm.
Back here.
To hold
Right in
them,
front
right,
of
you
their-
got them by their back feet. Usually covering up their face is helpful until they get settled.
Hi, sweetie, you're just so little. You're little. They're so cute.
So all of these are lion heads. There are no Rexes in here. But it's by this back, it's kind of, you have to find the back. See, she doesn't want to be held. So you have to find these back legs and you go right down into under that hip where you've got them right there under the legs there. And go back just a little further.
Okay.
And you should have her now. When you look at his grays and whites and
He's so soft.
on his coat, and he's actually really sweet. He's just like, normally I just hold him up.
Hi, handsome. He looks just like that storybook rabbit. It's cute.
Okay, so young bunnies, how often are you feeding them right now?
They get unlimited feed all day long, so we feed them only once a day. But if we notice that they have emptied their feeder completely out, we get a larger feeder and give them more pellets. Same thing goes with a mama who's nursing. Even if she doesn't have babies who are coming out and eating, if she's eating through all of her pellets, she needs more. Those are the only two that are on unlimited up until 16 weeks is 4 months, and then you drop, they're considered subadults then, and you drop them back to 1 cup a day. Because the thing is about bunnies is that they get heavy very easily, and the fatter they are less likely to have successful breeding. Bucks and does together, but it's portion size that will get you every time.
So you said it was unlimited until 16 weeks? Is
Yes.
that what you said? Got you.
Unlimited hay for life. Type of
But
thing. And brome hay is perfect for them. Brome hay has all the same, nutrients in it and stuff, and it's locally grown, and you can find it easy. And for what you're paying for a 9-10 ounce bag of Timothy, you'll get a square bale of hay.
All right, you guys, we're home and we're about to put these babies in their new little spot over there. But we've got 3 of them and they need names. I was gonna call this one most cutest baby in the whole world that I love very much, and Dean said that's too long of a name. So he said maybe you guys could come up with a name. So we've got 2 little girls and a little boy, and they're a Rex lion head, right? Mix. So you can really see the lion head on the other one. We'll show you each one of them. So, see, this one's so cute. It's so little. See? Okay, say, I need a name. So in the comments below, put some name ideas so these little cute little bunny rabbits can have a name.
And we'll show you each one of them.
Yeah, we'll show you each bunny, okay? Bunny number 1, cutest little baby bunny rabbit in the whole world. There's one. That's okay, baby. We're just trying to give you a new home. Don't worry about it. This is doe number 2. You can see the lion had more on this one. Super sweet. Not camera shy. She's thinking about getting her own YouTube channel. So she needs a good name.
And this is our buck. He looks much more like a Rex.
And he needs a name too. So what should we call this little handsome guy? He's gonna make lots of babies. Where you go? Are you hiding? Where are you? You can't see him. Oh, there you are. He was hiding. Okay, there you go.
All right, so this is a big day for us. We've got these new rabbits and we need names.
All right, we're so glad that you guys were with us again today. Until next time, this is GrassRoots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out.